the type of question that looks way harder than it actually is. So one thing that tips me off in terms of my strategy here is the fact that these statements both introduce a middle term. So that tells me that I'm going to want to actually expand both of these quadratics into this form that we see here. Okay, so that means multiplying and foiling these out. And you should know that this squared automatically equals this every time, and x minus y squared automatically equals x squared minus 2xy plus y squared every time. Put those on a note card and memorize it. So this is the final form that we get when we go through that process of foiling out these two original forms of the equation. And we're asking, what is this entire form on the right equal to? Well, statement 1 tells us that x squared plus y squared equals 3xy. Okay, why would they tell us that? Well, let's see what we can do with it. Both the top and the bottom have x squared plus y squared. And since in addition and subtraction order doesn't matter, we can reorder that and say this is really x squared plus y squared plus 2xy over x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Now, if we replace the x squared plus y squared with 3xy in the top and the bottom, what we end up with is 3xy plus 2xy over 3xy minus 2xy. And that will give us 5xy over 1xy, which is just equal to 5 over 1. So statement 1 is sufficient. It's giving us enough information to solve it, but it definitely doesn't look solvable at first. And these are the most dangerous types of questions on the GMAT, because these are the type of questions that if you purely follow your gut and say, there's no way that's going to work out, it's either C or E, then you're going to be left out, because this is the sort of thing where if you foil that out, if you go through the process of expanding the quadratic out, you're going to see immediately that there's a way to use this information in statement 1. So statement 1 is, sufficient. And statement 2, which says xy equals 3, well, if we did the same thing and took this formula down here and we said x squared plus 2 times 3 plus y squared over x squared minus 2xy, which is 2 times 3 plus y squared, what we get out of this situation is x squared plus 6 plus y squared over x squared minus 6 plus y squared. And this is not going to simplify. So there's nothing nice and easy that comes out of this situation. And we're unable to determine what the value of that original situation was up here. So that would mean this is insufficient, and just answer choice A is our answer.